I'm taking this hard drive, and I'm gonna plug it in, put it in this drawer. It's supposed to click. I have 2 more hard drives, which are sitting right there. And I'm gonna use them again also. So let's take this, click, hard drives. These are 3 terabytes. Alright, good. And I'm gonna take the CD-ROM. I'm gonna plug it in the front. So I'm gonna take this. And it latches. Somehow. Okay, my optical drive, CD-ROM, I always managed to secure it with these like sliding pins. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my flashcard reader, which is right here. Same way, I'm gonna slide it in here and lock it in place with these secure pins. Alright, I'm connecting this cable to the back of my optical drive. Goes right there. I think it goes there. Yep, it does. Plugs in nice and tight in there. And I'm gonna guide this cable out. And it's supposed to come out over here somewhere and connect to one of these SATA ports. So I'm gonna guide it through one of these holes and connect it through this. Okay, optical drive connected through the SATA port. Now there goes power to the optical drive, which is sitting on the top. So it goes like over there. And on the other side, yep, that's where I connect my power to the optical drive. Here's how it goes. Okay, it's plugged in, and let's replug this wire. Good, so the optical drive is all connected and connected here to the SATA drive, plugged in here. So everything looks nice and neat here. Cables are not in the way here. It looks nice and pretty. Okay, this is the cable that goes from the multi-card reader. I like multi-card readers. So I guide it through here, and it connects to the USB port right there. I hope it all works when I connect it. Good. Good, good, good. Alright, what else? Let's connect the hard drive. I need power, SATA connection to the hard drive, and I need what else I need? SATA connection. Alright, this is gonna be one of these red cables. ATA cable. Since I have 3 hard drives, I need to have 3 ATA cables, which I have 1, 2, 3. Let's go with the top one. It's gonna be black connection. Click. Let's put it through here. And I need, look at all these wires. Okay, let's take this one and plug it in right here. Good. This one's good. And then the remaining ones, I'm just gonna do one hard drive at this moment. I just want to see if the system will boot and work. Then I will connect the rest of the hard drives. At this moment I'm fine. Let's connect this cable to the SATA connection on the other side. Okay, I routed the cable from the hard drive. I'm going to plug it in the SATA 1 port, which is right there. Has a little locking mechanism too. Click. Alright, what else? Okay, I'm gonna make this look nicer. Zip tie this. I just like it when it's all nice and neat. I don't like all these cables being here like macaroni. So this looks good. What else do I need? I have 2 more hard drives that I need to connect, but I'm not worried about them right now. I have the optical drive connected, I have the power connected here, CPU connected, system fan connected. Alright, let's power it on, see if it works. Okay, so everything looks very, very good. Everything's connected except these 2 hard drives. I still have to connect them to the motherboard. And all the wires are nicely routed. As you can see, looks nice and neat. And I have to make a flash drive with Windows on it. So I'm gonna download Windows through the through this flash drive, and I'm gonna plug it in this computer and boot the system. Hopefully it all works. The next step I'm doing, I'm just connecting these ATA serial connectors to the remaining hard drives. These 2, I'm gonna connect them to the motherboard and power it up. See how it all works. So this is how the back of the computer looks so far. I had some wiring zip tied, and it looks like a lot, but at least it's out of the way of the motherboard, so that's what I wanted. Hold on a second. Alright, so now I'm connecting the ATA data cable to the remaining hard drives. This one goes here. the other one goes here. Now these cables are not the best. They don't have like a little locking mechanism like this black one right here. So this one locks. These two don't really have that. It's just a regular cable. See, it doesn't have that. Oh well. Plugs in. So I have 1 terabyte, 1 terabyte, and 1 terabyte. So 3 terabytes. On this one I'm going to load Windows and all the operating system. But my main goal is to have a solid state hard drive, which is going to be plugged in here. And solid state hard drive is much better, much faster, that's what I read. But in the meantime, I'm going to use these hard drives that I have. And let's see on the other side where I'm going to route the cables. Yep, the cables have to come out here and be plugged in the remaining SATA ports. There's one there underneath this cable and one there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to route this red cables 88 through this hole right there, and they're going to come out right here. Okay, so 88 cables connected from the hard drives. One goes here, another one goes there, and this is the main hard drive. So I got 3 hard drives connected. Now I have to do the power. Now the power plug. One goes here. Okay, that's good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my flash drive, plug into my laptop, right there, and I need to transfer Windows in there. Let's see. There's this program I downloaded. It's called Windows 7 USB. It's called Windows 7 USB DVD download tool. And I have a Windows file here. Let me see my downloads. I have a Windows 8.1 here activated. So what I need to do, I need to create a bootable flash drive. And I download this program. I'm going to open it up. It says yes, open the tool. And I'm going to browse for my file, my Windows file. I'm going to go into downloads, Windows 8.1. I'm going to open. And I'm going to click next. It says choose the media type, USB device. Click on there. And it's going to begin copy. Once I say begin copy, it has to erase everything on the USB device. I'm going to click yes. And it's creating a bootable USB device, which means I can plug it in my machine that I built and choose the boot from the USB device and install the Windows. Let's see how that goes. So I'll get back to you once this is done. It's going to take probably like 10 minutes or so. I'm at 99% with my bootable drive. Almost done copying the Windows files to that flash drive. See what happens next. I'm supposed to plug this into my USB drive. Plug this flash drive into my USB. Boot the computer from the flash drive and install the Windows. See how that goes. But as always, the last percent takes forever. Stuck at 99%. I'm gonna let it finish what it's doing. But everything is connected here. All the hard drives, the media, the RAM, everything looks nice and neat. I mean, this like this computer has built-in audio and built-in video card, but I'm gonna put later on like a higher quality video card, and I'm gonna add additional RAM stick right there. It's gonna be another 8. So in total, I'm gonna have 16 gigs of RAM. Pretty powerful video card. And the video card, I think it's gonna end up going in here or in here. I'll figure it out. I really like this case. I really like this case. I'm gonna work on this panel to hide all the wiring. I'm gonna make it look nice, but first I'm gonna install the Windows. See how that goes. Oh, we have 100%. Let's do this. Let's close this program. Alright, let's plug it in here. Okay. Everything is plugged in. Let's hit this button. Yes, it works. All right. This works. Everything nicely flashing. There's a fan over here too. Wow. All right. I don't have, oh, cool. It's automatically reading the flash drive. So the Windows is loading from the flash drive. That is cool. And here it is, Windows 8 setup. You click next and proceed every step, and then just click install, and voila. So once that's done, I will show you my desktop, everything on there, see if it's all installed very well, and I'm gonna activate the hard drives. So I started the system with fresh Windows, and I installed the internet browser, internet security, you know, just simple stuff. And now I have to have there's a disk for all the drivers, user manual and drivers. Just plug it in here. And I also have to check if the system can actually see my hard drives. Let's see, open that. So pretty much I just use this, and there's a manual, software, whatever, drivers. Yeah. Scanning device. Okay. ATI chipset, ATI saturated floppy. I don't have that. So I have to go through all this installation with drivers and software and everything, and the system will be good. I only see drive C. Close this. Only drive C. So in order to fix that, I go on the computer, right click, manage, disk management, and I'm gonna create new volume. See, there's unlocated, these two unlocated, these are my hard drives. Right click, new simple volume, new volume, letter I, which is fine. Click next, finish, good. Formatting, good. Next thing for this one, new volume, J, letter J, next, finish. Healthy primary partition. Alright, let's look at my computer. Now, hard drive 1, hard drive 2, hard drive 3. That's where I install my Windows. And it has 906 gigabyte, new volume I also 931, and new volume J 931. Perfect. I'm satisfied with my build. I still have to add some more components. I'm gonna order another 8 gigs of RAM, and I'm gonna get nice monitor and a very nice video card, because I'm gonna do some gaming and some good stuff. But in the meantime, the system works. It works great. I'm very satisfied that I was actually able to do that. Just plug in everything. There's a user manual. You can do it yourself, and the system was about 300 bucks. Let me show you what I got. This is my motherboard, Hi-Fi A70U3P from BioStar. I bought it at newegg.com. The quad-core AMD A-series processor, A87600. This is the one. Power supply, 500 watts. The case, again, deep cool. I think it's called Deep Cool Tesserex. LG DED writer. I purchased it on newegg.com. And some of the cables, the ATA connection cables, I also bought it online for like a few cents. All I have to do, upgrade my monitor. I'm gonna put like, thinking about 28-inch, or it's something like this bigger. This is my old monitor. And that's it. The reason why I put the flash reader, the multi-card reader, because I do a lot of pictures and it's easier just to plug in the card in the front. Yep. I really hope you enjoyed this build. I hope you had fun. Any comments, suggestions, and I'll take it, either negative or positive, either way. Thank you for watching Nazarettos channel.